In this video, we will take a closer look at how a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV, works. PHEVs bridge the gap between traditional hybrids and battery electric vehicles. They combine an engine that runs on petrol, an electric motor, and a larger battery for longer electric-only driving, which is recharged using an AC cable. In the default EV mode, Toyota PHEVs drive on electric power alone, even under full acceleration, and up to 135 km per hour. When the battery is depleted, they automatically switch to efficient hybrid operation. PHEVs offer the best of both worlds, EV driving and a powerful, efficient hybrid.